Guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now apologies, I haven't uploaded in a very long time. The reason being is because I've been really busy working on getting this right in front of me and making sure that this can become a reality, and I am so pleased to say it actually is a reality and it's sat right in front of me and I still can't believe it. This is the new project car on the channel. Loads of content will be rolling through on this one. I didn't love the BMW, but this I absolutely love. So guys, let me introduce to you the new project car on the channel. So there it is, guys. I still can't believe I'm getting out of that. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable, Jeff. It's amazing.
What a beautiful piece of art. That is my new Audi S3 8V 2018 Black Edition. And honestly, it is everything I can ask for in a car and more. I am super excited to get this on the channel and be doing modifications, track days, all the usual stuff. But yeah guys, I didn't want to go into too much detail as to modifications and what's on the car so far. I really wanted to just introduce the car to the channel and tell you guys that the BMW's gone. Obviously this is the Golf R replacement. It's obviously not the same car, but it kind of is at the same time. I did want to keep the Golf. It was just because of insurance that killed that Golf basically. I couldn't afford the insurance on it. So I had the BMW for a year and then my insurance went right down again because we moved to a new build. But anyway, it meant that this car could be purchased, and honestly I could not be happier with this car. Loads of videos will be running through on this car, sort of like the running costs, taking it to track days, and what it's like to live with an Audi S3, how it compares to the Golf R, because a little spoiler, this isn't a standard S3, so it has had a lot of work done to it previously and a lot of tasteful modifications, but I will be adding my own touch to the car. But I think you would agree, it is a stunning car, and it's one that kind of looks understated but still like a beast on the road. But yeah, I am super happy guys, and I hope you enjoy the videos that are going to come on this Audi S3, and yeah, I'll bring you along with me on the journey. So guys, just to give you a little taster as to what to expect in the next video, I'm actually going to break down the cost of this Audi S3 and also the modifications, the more important juicy stuff that I know you guys are going to be interested in. So the reasons why this isn't a stock S3 and the modifications that someone else has done to the car, and then what I intend to put on the car as well. So yeah, there's going to be loads of content on what modifications have happened and also are to come. So stay tuned for that guys in the next one, and I will catch you in that video. Peace!